Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Maths Online classes. Okay, dear students, last class already found out problems. So that is problem number 17. Problem number 17 it is completed. Today I am going to problem number 18. Okay, dear students, problem number 18 is limit x tends to 0 ax plus x cos x divided by b sin x ax plus x cos x divided by b sin x. Okay, dear students, so here first you apply directly here like x is equal to 0, 0 into a 0, cos 0 is 1, x is equal to 0, 1 into 0 0, 0, sin x is equal to 0, 0 into number 0, 0 divided by 0, that is indeterminate form. So that's why use some formulas method and the standard limits. Okay, so dear students, here okay, first you split into two terms here. So limit x tends to 0, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 f of x plus g of x. Okay, so ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು. So limit x tends to 0 ax divided by b sin x plus x cos x divided by b sin x ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so in this case, so limit, dear students, you see here, so limit next x tends to 0 of a by b plus into, so x by sin x can be written as 1 by sin x divided by x. ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? Yes, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So here a by b you take separately, x by sin x can be written as 1 divided by sin x by x. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1 divided by sin x by x. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ here numerator 1, so into, so send that in numerator. So in this case numerator go to denominator go to numerator. Dear students, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂಶ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಶ ಛೇದ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಂಶ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಶ ಛೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಛೇದ ಅಂಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So here is numerator is 1, then this portion you send that numerator. In this case numerator go to denominator go to numerator. Okay, 1 into, so therefore this is denominator, go to numerator x, this is denominator. So x by 1 into x by sin x. So x divided by sin x can be written as 1 divided by sin x by x. Okay, plus in this case, plus you see x by b into cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is equal to what? Tan x ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, sorry, not tan x, cot x. Sorry, so cot x. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ tan x ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ, ಬರ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. First you take like this, no problem. Cot x, you write cot x first. Cos x by sin x, cot x. X by b separator. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. Okay, next dear students, limit x tends to 0 a by b, a divided by b into 1 divided by sin x divided by x, sin x divided by x, plus x by b into, dear students, here cot x can be written as in reciprocal relation. So cot x reciprocal relation is what? 1 by tan x. So therefore here according to trigonometric functions. So trigonometric functions of reciprocal, cot x is tan x. You write here. So cot can be written as 1 by tan x. Okay. So next, look here. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. A by b. A divided by b. 1 by into 1 divided by sin x. Sin x by x plus so 1 by b separate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 1 by b 1 by b you write separately 1 by b into x into 1 x by tan x. So x divided by tan x ಅಥವಾ 1 divided by tan x by x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. tan x by x. Did you understand this? X divided by tan x can be written as 1 divided by tan x by x. Because simplify this. ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು separate ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. 1 divided by tan x divided by x is equal to 1 into ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Send that x divided by tan x. So x by tan x can be written as 1 divided by tan x by x. Same as it is here. So x by sin x can be written as 1 divided by sin x by x. So in this case 1 by tan x can be written as 1 divided by tan x by x. So why you take like this? Because to get standard form. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. a by b, that is constant a by b into limit x tends to 0 1 no problem. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to what? Standard limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1, right? 1 plus 1 by b into 1. Yes, limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. So therefore a by b, a into 1 a into b into 1 b plus 1 into 1 b into 1 b. So LCM b ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, b is LCM, b cancel, a plus 1. Therefore a plus 1 divided by b. Okay, so ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So take care here. X by sin x can be written as 1 by sin x by x. In this case tan x can be written as 1 by tan x by x. Okay, 1 by tan x can be written as 1 by tan x by x. Okay, write down this. Okay, so next dear students, problem number 19. Problem number 19. Limit x tends to 0 x secant x. X secant x. Limit x tends to 0 x secant x. Okay, so in this case limit x tends to 0 x secant x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. x into 0 x secant 0. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅದು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ cos 0 is cos ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that's why you write limit x tends to 0 x into secant x reciprocal cos x 1 by cos x ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ x is equal to 0 into 1 divided by cos 0 into 1 divided by cos 0 1. So 0 into any number 0. Therefore this is result. This is not a indeterminate form ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಾ, because 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Okay, 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Write on this. Okay, dear students, next problem. Problem number 20. 20. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax plus bx divided by ax plus sin bx. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. x is equal to what? 0. 0 into sin ax 0, sin 0 0. This is 0 into number 0 divided by x is 0, sin 0 0, 0 by 0. 0 by 0 means indeterminate form. So here that's why use some method. So here I am going to multiply and divided by ax. Multiplied. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Multiply and divided by numerator and denominator by ಅಥವಾ divided by ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ax. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ax ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಎನ್ಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ax. ax ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ax tends to 0 ಹೇಳಿ sin ax plus bx divided by ax whole divided by ax plus sin bx divided by ax. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ax ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ax. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 sin ax divided by ax plus bx divided by ax. bx divided by ax. So next whole divided by ax divided by ax plus sin bx divided by ax. इतना डिवाइड ಮಾಡಿ. ओके, split into like this. Okay, next ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 of sin ax by ax sin ax divided by ax. So here x cancel plus b by a whole divided by ax cancel 1 plus sin bx divided by ax. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ divided by ax. Okay, next dear students, so here no problem, sin ax by ax, that is the standard form. So in this case bx by ax ಇದೆ. So ಅದರಿಂದ first you write this. ಇದು ಬರೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಸರಿ ಸಾಗಲ್ಲ. Write on this. ಓಕೆನಾ? limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0 of sin ax divided by ax plus b by a whole divided by 1 plus sin bx divided by ax. So in this case you operate multiply and divided by bx ಇಂದ multiply ಮತ್ತೆ divide ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, next limit x tends to 0 of sin ax divided by ax plus b by a whole divided by 1 plus, so you see here ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, sin bx by bx into bx divided by ax. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ax into bx ax bx ax into bx ax bx, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ sin bx by bx ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 of sin ax by ax plus b divided by a, so 1 plus sin bx divided by bx into xx cancel, b divided by a, b by a. Okay, next steps ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. You apply the limits apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. So limit x tends to 0 sin ax by ax, that is equal to 1 plus b by a, as usual b by a right here, 1 plus, so limit x tends to 0 sin bx by bx, 1 into b by a, 1 into b by a. So in this case 1 plus b by a divided by 1 plus b by a, 1 plus b by a, 1 plus b by a. So therefore, so you see numerator that is equal to 1 plus b by a, denominator 1 plus b by a, cancel, totally cancel, that is equal to 1. This is result. Okay, so here write on this. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to pi by 2. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 20, actually 22, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to pi by 2 tan 2x minus divided by x minus pi by 2. ಇದೊಂದು ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ.